Checking your transaction history on Wix is a straightforward process that allows you to keep track of your sales and payments. Follow these steps to access your transaction history easily. Step 1. Log into your Wix account. Visit the Wix website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with your website. Step 2. Access the dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard of your Wix account. This is where you can manage all aspects of your website. Step 3. Go to the Finance section. In the dashboard, look for the Finance or Payments section. This area contains all financial-related information, including transaction history. Step 4. Select Transaction History. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Review your transactions. You can now review your transaction history. Use any available filters to sort by date, amount, or status to find specific transactions more easily. By following these steps, you can quickly check your transaction history on Wix. Regularly reviewing this information can help you manage your finances effectively.